Hello guys, welcome to the another video. In this video I'm gonna show you my first experience. Gonna start with Uber Eats. So my all the document is complete. So watch my other video how you can complete all the documents and how you can apply for Uber Eats. So my account is activated now. You can see I didn't make any money, but I'm gonna start with you guys. I'm gonna share my experience, but I want to tell you some things in the setting what you can do. So if you click on this bar, if you're gonna go to the setting, is three lines on the left hand side. So is my name is there, is going to be your pictures, COVID-19, there's going to be information about inbox. When you receive the messages or tips, is going to be in the inbox. Promotions means is like now 1.1 to 1.3. Is 1.1 1.3, what is that? Means if it's 1.1 you will receive little money, but it's 1.3 then you're gonna get three times money left. Like means if you in 1.1, if you're receiving three pound, then in 1.3 it's going to be three times, then you're gonna receive 9 pound. So yeah, so these are the booster, and sometimes it's 1.4 as well, sometimes it's 1.5. You can see it's at 5:30. So if you're gonna work during these time, you're gonna get more money. Yes, and this is promotions. The next one is earning. If you're gonna make earning, is going to be on this box, so you can see the details. If you want to cash out, you can, and you have to collect the points. Then you're gonna, if you collect the point, it's going to be good for you, because then you're gonna first is silver, then it's gold, then they give some options, some offers for you guys. Okay, so the other one, the payment is done. Now the wallet is just your money. If you want to cash out, you can cash out. And this account, in the account, so which one is your vehicle, your documents, your payments. If you want to change the payment details, tax info, if you want to edit account, you have to change, you can do it. And you, if you want to change your vehicle, you can press this one, you can change the vehicle as well. If you're gonna go to the motorbike, then you have to put the insurance and CBT as well. So if you want to send them message as well, you can do so as well. If you go to the help section where it's help, you can send the message, and you can see the message when they're gonna send you the message as well. So okay, I'm gonna turn this on now. Let's see after how long we're gonna receive the job. I might maybe pause the video as well if I did not receive the job for the long time, but it's depend where are you. I'm near the McDonald's at the moment, so hope so, because if you wanna, if you is going to be near the restaurant, is the most chance you're gonna get the job near to that place. If you far away, you're gonna get the job. Is depend, if it's busy, then you can get job, but stay near to the busiest restaurant, then you will, is the most probably chance to get the job. So I'm gonna turn this on. Let's see after how long I'm gonna get the job, but I'm gonna stay here for 30 seconds, then I'm gonna pause the video. When I receive the job, then I'm gonna play again, and I'll show you. Yeah, so these are the options. So here other is nothing. Yeah, we talk about everything. Oh yeah, I receive, you can see I received my first ever job. So if you want to receive it, you're gonna click this one. Yes guys, so then you have to press the navigations, then it will take to the restaurant. But I told you before, I am near to the McDonald's, so it's telling me I'm just near there. So I'm gonna, it's just telling you the information, don't worry about that. So here, when you pick the delivery, you're gonna click on that, then you're gonna start delivery guys. So I'm gonna go to the restaurant. Let's see. Okay guys, so you can see map is telling me I'm here. So this is McDonald's. So I'm gonna go over here, and I'm just gonna show my this number. You must show this number, then they will give you this job. So I'm gonna pick the job now. This one. So you're gonna check my number. So it's gonna give me this job. So my order is over here, so I'm gonna pick this order. Okay guys, so I picked the orders, so I'm gonna click this one. So I'm gonna say start delivery. So so it's gonna tell you where you need to go. So just click on the navigation. So so just click on the navigations, Google Maps. Just go to the Google Map, so it will tell you where to go. But if you want to see the address, so this is the 311 Denbury Avenue. So this is the address of the customer. You can see the address as well. So it's saying me I have arrived. So I'm gonna just go to the this number is 311. So I'm just gonna go to the customer, and it's saying you have to read the instruction what he's saying. He said just leave at door number written on the bin outside. I'm gonna go and drop there. So I'm just gonna go to the number 311. I'm gonna find that number. That finding address is not hard as well, it's very easy guys for you. Just I'm at the door, so I'm gonna just stop over there. Hello sir, morning, thank you very much, bye bye, have a nice day. So I just finished my first ever delivery. Just give thumbs up if you like this delivery, then just click on delivered, and let's say how much I get paid. It's about 1 mile. So that was my first ever delivery with Uber. And if you guys are confused, don't be confused. It's very simple and easy. Just pick the delivery from the restaurant and drop to the customer. All the info is going to be there in the map. So the amount is going to be comes up. So they pay me £7. So yes, that was nice. It's not bad. It's £3.80. They pay me for that, but they pay me £7, I think so. But it's showing me here is £3.80. But this was just less than 1 mile, not far away. So if you keep doing it, you can make £100 if you work maybe more than 150. But on the weekend is very busy. Friday, Saturday, Sunday is very, very busy. You can make good money. Maybe Friday, if you work, you can make more than £200. Okay guys, thank you. Hope you this is going to be information for you a lot. And if you want to start with Uber Eats, so this is all the information is here. So don't worry about anything, just follow this step and start making money guys. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.